In this present mindfulness exercise, we're going to practice being non-judgmental as we connect with the present moment. So giving yourself permission to settle into your chair, taking a comfortable position and gently closing your eyes. And in your mind's eye, picturing the very room that you're sitting in now, what it looks like, how the furniture's laid out, and then add yourself into that picture, picturing yourself as you are now, sitting in that very same room. And now notice how it feels to be sitting in your chair. Begin to observe how your body feels, sense of touch, pressure of clothes, temperature. Just tuning into those physical reactions and sensations that you may be having at this moment. And then slowly bring your attention to your breath, noticing yourself breathing in and breathing out. Focusing on your breath as it's happening right now in this moment, using your breath to help anchor yourself. Focus on the sensation of the breath entering and leaving the body, reminding yourself that your breath is always with you, always happening in the here and now. Just using your breath now to remind you to pay attention and to observe what's happening in the moment. And as you continue to focus on your breath, bring your attention inwards to your mind and your thoughts. Notice how your thoughts are constantly changing and shifting. Sometimes the thoughts just pass by. Other thoughts may distract you, and some may be hard to let go of. But just simply notice what you're thinking. And if you notice yourself getting caught up or carried away by thought, just acknowledge it without any judgment or criticism, and gently bring your attention back to observing your thoughts as they occur, using your breath to help anchor you. And as that observing part of you notices these thoughts, now shift your attention towards your emotional state, noticing how you're feeling in this moment, reminding yourself that emotions, like thoughts, will come and go, that they're constantly changing. Sometimes they're positive and very welcome, and sometimes they're difficult and they're unwelcome. Sometimes they come in waves. Emotions may linger. They may be triggered by thoughts, or other times show up, seemingly out of nowhere. So simply acknowledge how you're feeling in this very moment, allowing yourself to observe your emotions without any judgment, just noticing how they ebb and flow. And continuing to use your breath to anchor you. Pull out your attention, begin to notice all of your entire experience, how your body feels, what you're thinking, and the emotions that you're experiencing. And if you notice that you're trying to change your experience in any way, again, just notice that and gently guide yourself back to observing and sensing that full experience, thoughts, feelings, senses, and using your breath to anchor you. Now allow your awareness to shift, to take in what's going on round about you. Noticing the temperature of the room, noticing any sounds occurring outside the room, any sounds occurring inside the room. And in your mind's eye, start to bring yourself back into the room, picturing again you sitting where you are now, in your chair, in the room, just imagining what that looks like. And whenever you're feeling ready, gently open your eyes, come back into the room, and end your practice.